Ready to take your family on the most exciting Branson boat ride? Try Branson Jet Boats at the Branson Landing, the only jet boat tour in the Midwest, with tours departing throughout the summer from the downtown Branson dock. Branson Jet Boats will take you on a spectacular round-trip Branson boat ride down and up historic Lake Taneycomo. You'll get the history of the area, local stories, and amazing natural beauty. And on top of that, you might get sprayed, splashed, and spun as 3 400-horsepower engines power a unique thrill adventure that can only be done on a specially designed jet boat. Experience the adventure of bow dunks, power slides, and 360 spins done by our Coast Guard licensed captains as you experience the Ozark outdoors in a way you've never seen before. Whether you are here for the thrills or for the unique view of the lake, Branson Jet Boats will be at the top of your list. Need pricing, schedules, or information about bringing a group? Tours fill up fast, so visit our website at bransonjetboats.com today for more information and purchase your tickets online for the best Branson boat ride of your life.